What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to My Miniverse. Toya, there's a My Mini Baby Series 2. I know! And I've been looking. Sometimes it takes a minute for me to find stuff. And the wait is over. Today we are taking a look at 05 Surprise, My Mini Baby Series 2. There are 15 to collect, including super rare twins. The under wrapper for this capsule is purple, and they're priced around $12.99 or $12.97 depending on where you're shopping, which is a lot more than Series 1. We were getting 2 packs for like $15.99, or even less if you could find them at Ross. So on average, we were finding them at about $8 a capsule, and now they're pretty much $13 a capsule. I don't love that, but here we are. We still have to pull the little tab, remove the outer wrapper. I am terrible at those little pull tabs, so I just use my manicure tools to assist with the opening. To remove the layers, now we can open the capsule. I have 3 bags inside with white and lavender wrappers, and a collector's guide. Oh wow, check out that crib. On the back, we can see all the items in this collection. I'm seeing different skin tones and hair colors, different arm positions. There's different furniture and accessory items, including clothing. The furniture items come in different colors. I'm seeing pink and yellow, pink and turquoise, turquoise and purple. I'm interested in seeing if they match the furniture items from Series 1, because the purple is new. And that crib looks pretty similar to the one that we DIY'd by recycling a capsule. I would love to see that. And in my first bag, I think it's the pink high chair. Yep, here are the instructions. This high chair looks very small, so I'm not quite certain how they're gonna look with the Barbie. Oh, but that's pretty cool. It can swing back and forth. To be fair, My Mini Baby is not made for Barbie, but I'm mainly a 1/6 scale collector, so I like stuff to be compatible. And here's the baby, which looks different from Series 1. The face appears to be a little more defined, the eyes are still closed. This one has yellow painted hair, rather blonde, and you can see some sculpted texture. There's a little blush on the body. The baby is not as translucent as Series 1, but it's still squishy, and the baby's mouth is open, as well as one hand. Let's open the other bag to see the other accessories. We have a yellow bib with a pink bunny and Velcro, and a diaper that we can easily place on the baby. Let's add the bib, and someone's ready to sit in their high chair. We get a little flexible cushion to go on the chair. It has pink bunnies and hearts, and it looks like you can flip it around if you want it to be a solid color. Let's add the baby, then close the tray. We also get baby food, which looks like a little pouch of strawberries. So My Mini Baby can enjoy a meal. When compared to a Barbie, the high chair is a little small, but it might be a good size for our Chelsea playroom. The plastic pink high chair does seem to match those rubber or flexible cushions from Series 1. The yellow cushion adds another color, but I think we could add it to this space. So the baby and the baby food are a good size for Barbie, but the chair is a better size for Chelsea. We do have a DIY for a high chair, and baby food, and a no-sew bib, if you're feeling crafty and need one for the dollhouse. Opening my second capsule, I have 3 bags again, and this one has, I think this is a little scale thing. It's pretty easy to assemble, and check that out. It moves. In the next bag, we find a cushion. It has clouds and white stars, is a turquoise color. It does not match the green colored items from Series 1, but we can place it in the scale. We also get a stethoscope. That's a little small for a Barbie, but could fit a Chelsea-sized doll. We get a ribbon that looks like a measuring tape and a diaper for the included baby. This time we got a baby with red hair and its arm is down and the little lips are shiny. Let's place the little baby on the scale and the little dial moves. Kind of curious to see if we can use this to weigh the capsules. With nothing on it, it's a little on this side. It's not exactly in the center. Let's add a capsule. Oops, well, there's that. But it's not a real scale and it only goes that far, so yeah. But I think it works with the dolls. Speaking of weights, this capsule is definitely heavier than this one. Let's open it up and see if it's the twins. We got 3 bags, and I think it's the kiddie pool. Yep, it is. It's green and pink. The bottom of the pool is see-through. In the bags, we also find a little umbrella that we can put together and attach to the pool. It's adjustable. That's cool. We have a shark hat, a little pink shark floaty. It's pretty thin, but I do like that it looks like a real floaty. And we get a little swim diaper. That's cute. Let's open up the last bag to see the baby. That looks just like the baby from the high chair. So we kind of got twins anyway. Let's put the hat on the baby. Since the baby's flexible, it is possible to put it in the floaty, and we can set the baby in the little pool. And you know we got a DIY for that one as well. We reused the cylinder that comes with a 2-pack and made fake water so we can place the baby inside. I'll list these DIYs down below. Opening my 4th capsule, this one feels pretty light, and it is another high chair. The chair is made the same, and the accessories are a pink and white cushion with sharks, a pink bib with a shark, 2 heart-shaped waffles. I like that we're getting different food items. And we have a diaper for the included baby. We get a new skin tone, brown hair, and glossy lips. Since these 2 chairs are the same but different colors, we can swap the cushions to match our Chelsea playroom. And look at that! I can balance the waffle to stay in the baby's hand. Opening my 5th capsule, I'm hoping we get to see that crib. But I think this is another high chair. Oh yeah, it is. And is this the pink one again? Oh no, it's the purple one. So that means we're getting some new accessories, like the sliced apple, which is really cute. When we put them together, it does make the shape of a whole apple. And there are painted details on the inside. We get a bib with the cloud and another baby, which is a new skin tone for me. This baby has brown painted hair, looks great with the dolls. And now we have all the high chairs in this series. Personally, I would have loved if all of the furniture matched series 1, but that's just me. I want to see the crib, so let's open another one. This is our 6th capsule, which is another scale. But it's a different color, which means we got a different baby. We have the turquoise scale. Let's open the accessories. We get a pink mat with sharks, a tiny clipboard with a sculpted pen and paper. Here it is with the Barbie. We get a teeny tiny syringe, which is kind of cute. We can totally use this with the dolls, and we get a diaper. I like how in this series so far, all of my babies have some kind of diaper. And there's our new baby with dark brown hair with little painted curls. That little hand looks like it can hold your hand. And since series 2 babies have mouths that are open, we can pretend to give it vitamins. Here's a cup from series 1 that we can now use to feed the little babies. Oh my goodness. Opening capsule 7 because we are looking for the crib. In this capsule, we find another scale. And this one is a double, so I guess we could say we got twins again. So the search continues with capsule number 8. This one feels pretty light as well. I think it's another high chair. Yep, it's the turquoise high chair with waffles. Twins. This is another one that feels a little heavier, and it's capsule number 9. I am seriously hoping that this is not another high chair. And yeah, it's the crib, where we get to reuse part of the capsule, which is exactly what we did when we made this one a while back. And now we can see how they made theirs. We get 6 pieces that snap together to get a circle that kind of looks like a playpen. Then we put this piece inside, and it helps it to hold its shape. Take the side of the capsule with a smooth edge and place it inside. It locks in under the edge. Let's open the other bag right quick, where we find the wheels that we have to assemble and place underneath. Then assemble the pole. Oh wait, we gotta add the canopy first. Then we can assemble the pole and attach it to the side. Then we just add this little yellow mat or cushion to the bottom, and it's done. We also get a pink rabbit, a rabbit ear hat, and some clothes. It's pink with the yellow rabbit. They stitched around raw edges, and it velcros in the back. But we do have a few loose threads. And the included baby is a triplet. It looks just like the baby that comes with the purple scale. Putting on that pink outfit did take a little bit of patience and care, so be careful not to pull too much on the limbs. Mine is a snug fit, but I was able to get the outfit on. Now we can add the little hat and put the baby to bed. When I made mine, I made it to fit a Barbie house, so it is a lot taller. If you're feeling crafty, I'll put the link down below. Let's open one more for a nice round number of 10. And the twins come with clothes, so I wouldn't mind finding them for those. This was another capsule that felt heavy, and it looks like a crib again. Oh my goodness, 2 in a row. Hopefully this one has different accessories. Yep, it's the turquoise one. Well, the turquoise mat with the purplish wheels and accessories. We get a fuzzy blanket with this one. It's a cut piece of fabric, a rattle, and a bottle. But I'm not seeing a diaper for the included baby, which is a twin for the baby with the turquoise scale. But since this is a little short for a Barbie, I do like the idea of using it as a playpen. I used the capsule to cut a circle of felt. I took the bottom and I attached it to the other side, then placed the felt inside. We can glue it to paperboard or poster board if we need more support, but now it's pretty much a playpen. We can even still use this by just laying it on top to give my mini baby head support. I'm going to glue mine to a leftover piece of poster board, cover it with fabric to make a pad for the playpen that we can sit inside. So the baby can be comfy and it matches our doll space. Of course, you can add the wheels if you like, and if you get more than one, we can just connect them to make it larger. And now the dolls can sit on the floor and give the babies a safe space to move about. For My Mini Baby Series 2, I do like the new sculpts. We can easily see the features on their faces, they can take a bottle, and I like that they have different poses. I love that we get fabric clothes, new accessories, activities, and that some of the items can be used in our 1/6 scale world. But personally, I would have liked to have seen all the items match perfectly with Series 1. But I do enjoy the new skin tones and hair colors. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at My Mini Baby Series 2. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time.